Hello. I went to work, walked to work, had a good day at work. Yeah, just finished up some Pilates. That'd be fun. I'm about to kind of like, not get ready for bed, but do like my nighttime skincare. So I thought might as well film it and kind of show everyone what I do. Just going to wash my face. I double cleanse. I kind of mostly use my ceramic slip cleanser. It's very gentle. It lasts me a long time. I really like it. I used it in university and then I kind of forgot about it. So I always do my first step with this. I do alternate, like if I'm in the shower, I'll use Clean from Radford. It's a vitamin C active clay gel and it smells so good. I typically mostly just use it in the shower because I like to use it as body wash. It's really good for like the KP on the back of my arms, and sometimes I get it in my thighs. So that's why I mostly stick to this in the shower, and this I'll mostly use in the morning. I'll alternate in the morning between this and Radford's Buff. I'm gonna go ahead and wash off all my sunscreen and all that. So be right back. I don't really actually have any active breakouts right now. I have a few kind of leftover things. Mask slash cleanser. It says it's a cleanser, but I was told by a facialist that I work with, Felicia. She's amazing for all skincare needs. I will put her Instagram right here if you have any skincare questions. She is a skin expert at Radford, the studio I work at. I've had it for a long time. Warming Honey Cleanser by S Clinical. It is so good. You need very little. I put on kind of a like somewhat wet face, and I massage it in, and like I try to leave it on for like 10 minutes. Doesn't usually happen. Okay, it's been about 7 minutes. Gonna wash this off. Okay, so I'm all moisturized, did my whole body, so I feel good about that. I'm also in like a very comfy outfit, full sweatsuit, slippers, and I feel like it's just like one of the best feelings in life is to be moisturized and doing your skincare in sweatpants and having a Diet Coke. Next up, I go in with the Vino Perfect Caudalie Serum, Radiant Serum. I find this really helps with my dark spots. I'm almost out of it. I do have like another bottle waiting. I tried to, during the Sephora sale, I like stocked up on all my products even if I didn't need them. Like my tried and true products, because I knew I would use them. I might as well get them for 20% off, right? So let it dry, feels really good. Then if you watched my favorites video, going in with my UFO, my tried and true, love it the most. It's a very like calming scent. I don't know what ingredient is that scent. Just do a little of this, a little of that. I was like, you know what, I have so many products in my goddamn washroom, like it's sick. And whatever, like I'm just gonna go through products that I have before, you know, if I invest in one or try something out. I just want to get all the moisturizers I have out of my house. I used this in university, the like Neutrogena Hydro Boost cream. It has hyaluronic acid in it. I don't know, it has a smell that my mother does not enjoy, but I used it in university and I liked it. And you know what, I actually don't mind it for like a drug store moisturizer. It does a trick. It really does hydrate. I'm going to use it up. It'll last a while. It's a good chart. It's cute too. Last step, and then I'm gonna eat some dinner. We're having tacos. Is go in with my Laneige lip mask. I feel like the most universally loved lip mask balm that I feel like everyone and their mother has. Sometimes I'll treat myself to do a mask over top. I don't think I'm gonna do one tonight. like I said in my favorites video. Actually, if you haven't watched it, go watch it and then you'll know all my favorite masks. And then if I was going to bed, Quip toothbrush. Sorry, it looks a bit gnarly right now. I get like the monthly, not monthly, it's like every 3 months I get new batteries and a new head and a new toothpaste and floss, and it's really nice. It comes in a cute little case. I remember I visited my boyfriend and his friends were like, that is a bougie toothbrush. So it's a reminder to wash your face before you go to bed tonight or this morning, and moisturize. Don't forget to moisturize. Even if you have acne or oily skin, don't forget to moisturize. And put on your sunscreen.